having this without that starts creating
Missing all that, yeah.
Yeah. It also creates these weird lines that get worse with age. We call Joker lines.
Oh.
So see how these lines, the natural lines of this facial skin that sit like this, that looks natural, right? But when you do this vertical weird stuff, you start seeing these weird lines. And in Miami, New York, LA, you see all these women walking around. Sure, any viewer, you've seen this before. From their corner mouth, this kind of weird saggy thing.
Yes, I know what you're talking about.
Yep, that's the result of a vertical facelift that does not address the deep plane. Now, the last survey I'm aware of by our society says that over 60%, or I think maybe closer to 7% of facelifts done by plastic surgeons today are a version of like a max lift, a minimal access cranial suspension. So it's really the main concept is doing a quick, easy, minimal dissection, non-deep plane vertical lift. And you can see that's a very good example because this patient is a great candidate for a facelift. The skin is thin and very loose, lots of wrinkles, very excessive, without a lot of fat. And she is a patient that's super high risk for these deformities of a facelift that's not done anatomically. In the wah wah. So I'll show that one more time. This would simulate most of the facelift techniques out there. And see already we can see this. This only gets worse with age. Of course, when they're swollen, it will look kind of more like that. But then when the swelling goes away and they age a little bit and this starts going down, this is what we call a Joker line. And it's all over the place. Even celebrities, you see them smile and have these weird lines here. That again is because of this lateral border, which is what most face and neck lift doctors are really putting the emphasis on. Boom. And look, oh, the neck looks beautiful. But this is a mess. So instead what we do is we do the deep plane support, take the deep neck up with the face, and then once we have that, we tweak it like this. That's what I call Kedge technique, the two vectors, and that's how you get that beautiful, you can already see the form of her face is beautiful instead of